Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create high conversion e-commerce ad banner using custom shapes. Begin with a bright clean background, then add a soft product shadows to anchor the layout. Also insert bold rectangular shapes for pricing sections. Add circular highlight shapes around the product. Insert sub-burst shapes for the discount page and add a clean product image in the center. Now use curved shapes to create motion behind the items. Add text for the headline and discount details. Insert a CTA button shape below. Now add a soft glow to the CTA for high conversation. Place tiny icons near features.